Hello students, in this video today we are going to learn term 2 history unit 1. Okay, see Vedic culture in North India and megalithic culture in South India. Vedic culture in North India means வட இந்தியாவில் வேத கால பண்பாடும், megalithic culture in South India means தென்னிந்தியாவில் பெருங்கற்கால பண்பாடும். Okay, learning objectives. Okay, see here in this lesson we are going to learn all these points, important points. That is to know the origin and migrations of Aryans. That is migrations means இருப்பிட மாற்றம். Okay, then sources of study relating to the Vedic age. Okay, next evolution of political, economic and religious structures. Next, regions inhabited by early and later Vedic period. That is, inhabited means Tangi Valum Idam. Okay. Then differences between early and later Vedic periods. Next, megalithic Iron Age culture in Tamil Nadu. This we are going to read in detail. Vedic Age. First phase of urbanization in India came to an end with the decline of Indus civilization. Okay. Vedic Age means Veda Kalam. Urbanization means Nagaram. Okay. Nagarangal. Okay. In India came to an end. Okay. Vedic Age came to an end with the decline of Vedic Age in India came to an end with the decline of Indus civilization. Okay, after that Indus civilization only this Vedic age came. That is, decline means mudivu. After the end of the Indus civilization. Next, a new era called Vedic age began. Okay, after that Indus civilization only Vedic age began with the arrival of Aryans. That is, when the Aryans came, Vedic age started. Okay, Vedic age, Veda Kalam, that is that period when they were ruling, when they were in this period only they lived. Okay, that period only now we are from which time to this time, that timing only we are going to period. Okay, that year and all now we are going to learn. That is Vedic age. Okay, it is a period in the history of India between 1500 BC to 600 BC. Okay, BC means before Jesus Christ. Okay, BCE means before Common Era. Okay, it gets its name from four Vedas. Okay, from four Vedas only it got its names. It gets its name. That is four Vedas: Rig, Yajur, Sama, and Atharva. Okay, who were the Aryans? Okay, who were the Aryans? Indo-Aryans, language speaking, semi-nomadic pastorals. Okay, pastorals. That is Indo-Aryans. Their language is semi-nomadic pastorals because they used to move from place to place. Pastoralist means மேய்ச்சல். Okay, semi-nomadic means அலைந்து திரிபவர்கள். They used to move from place to place in search of food. Next, they came from Central Asia in several waves of migration. Okay, குடிபெயர்ந்து. Then through Khyber Pass of Hindu Kush mountains. Okay, from there only they came, and from Central Asia they came and from the Khyber Pass and Hindu Kush mountains. Through that way only they came. Okay, then cattle rearing was their main occupation. That is work. Okay, cattle rearing, kalnadi. Okay, that was the main occupation, work. Then they also practiced slash and burn agriculture. Slash and burn agriculture means அழித்து எரித்து வேளாண்மை செய்தல். Okay. Next. extent of Vedic culture. Okay, that location. See, we can see the early Vedic period and later Vedic period. See that box. That is first one is the early Vedic period, and then second one is the later Vedic period. First, later extent of Vedic culture. Okay, early Vedic period location is Taxila, Harappa, Kurukshetra, Mohenjo-daro. Next, later Vedic period Indraprastha, Yamuna, Kosala, Ganga, Ayodhya, and Kabilavastu. Okay, next times, spread and sources. Time, first, geographical range, that is location is North India. Then period is Iron Age. Then time 1500 BC to 600 BC. Sources, that is Vedic literature, Veda Ilakyam, nature of civilization, that is rural, that is village. Okay. Classification of Vedic age. Okay, this Vedic age is divided into two phases of Vedic age. That is, one is early Vedic period and another one is later Vedic period. Okay, the period of early Vedic is 1500 to 1000 BC. Later Vedic period is 1000 to 600 BC. Aryans and their home in India. First point is Aryans of Rig Vedic period were semi-nomadic. Okay, Rig Vedic period where Aryans of Rig Vedic were called semi-nomadic. Move from place to place. Then next one, the Aryans' homeland was Punjab, called Sapta Sindhu. Okay, homeland, that is called Punjab. Then Sapta, it is called Sapta Sindhu. Next one, around 1000 BC, Aryans in India moved eastward and settled in Indo-Gangetic plain. Okay, the Aryans from India, they moved to eastward. Then finally they settled in Indo-Gangetic plain. Next one, use of iron axes and plows became widespread. Axes means Kodari and Kalapai plows. It became widespread. That is miga parvalagiyadu. Okay. Next. Okay. Sources of Vedic literature. That is Vedic text. Vedic text means Vedic books. Okay. In this, it is classified into Shruti and Smriti. First, we will read about the Shruti. Shruti means listening. Okay, not written but unwritten. Okay, it is taught orally through generations. Okay, first one generation, then next generation also it is taught orally, but it is unwritten. Okay, Shruti comprises of four Vedas, then Brahmanas, Aryankas, and Upanishads. Okay, then these are considered as sacred and eternal. Sacred and eternal. These are considered as sacred and eternal. That is, sacred means punidamana, eternal means nirayanavai. Okay, next. Then Srimiti. Srimiti means definite and uh, teaching on religion. Okay, teaching on religion. Srimiti means teaching on religion. Definite and written literature. Okay, written literature means ilakyam. Then it consists of Itihasas, Puranas, Ramayana, Mahabharata, Shiva Purana, Vishnu Purana. Then Sutras means Dharma Sutra, Manusmriti, and Narada Smriti. Okay. Sources of Vedic literature. See, national motto Satyameva Jayoti, that is, truth alone triumphs. That is, Tamil meaning is Vaimaye Ellum. It is taken from the Mundaka Upanishad. sources. Sources means சான்றுகள். That is archaeological. தொல்பொருள். Okay, these are the sources, evidence they got. Okay, that is iron implements and pottery from the archaeological sites. That is iron implements. That is கருவிகள். துணை சாதன கருவிகள். Okay, they got from the archaeological sites in Punjab, Uttar Pradesh, Rajasthan, along Indus and the Ganges.